And this is the wig before we ship to the customer. Look, it's very gorgeous, very silky, very long. We use the best quality hair for her. Actually, she's helping her daughter to pick a very reliable hair vendor for the business. Very happy. So the hair review is very gorgeous. And thank you very much for this hair review. Follow my YouTube channel and we will share more hair reviews for you guys. Any questions, just let me know.